Grizzly is an unboxing experience that tells a story around a special object. In this case, a Grizzly Bear Enamel Pin that holds memories of adventures and travels. Using affordances and signifiers, I created an unboxing story that revolved around the idea of exploration in nature. I set off the atmosphere of the experience by having the box reveal a single window of a story to convey the beginning of the journey. Once you lift the cover, the box inside opens like a flower, which mimics the flow of nature and the flow of the story in which it was set, to represent the notion that adventure is a cycle of exploring the outdoors, connecting with nature, and capturing the moment. Another box sits in the center, which opens to reveal the highlight of the experience. In this case, the pin. The words "Home is where the heart is" written in one of the panels, to convey that home is a symbol of a place that holds memories, comfort, people, or things that one loves. The panel reveals the story of a summer hike with my brother and his friends at South Lake Tahoe. It was a weekend full of adventure, laughter, and being in the presence of loved ones while connecting with nature. That being said, it was an epitome of being present in the moment.